guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can take screenshots of your videos in CapCut PC. So I have this video here and I want to take a screenshot of this. For instance, I'm just going to select this and I'm just going to freeze frame it. Then I'm just going to export it as an image. So select the three lines here, export still frame, rename the file, select the resolution and select the format, and select where you're going to export this file to, export, and it's going to be saved as an image. If I can just, here you go. And that is it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!